Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of a Vivo V21 5G smartphone. So you can see the shining on the box. So now without wasting the time, quickly open the box, and you can see in top we get the phone. Okay, you can see we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So guys, you can see here we get some reading manuals, and this is the product technical specification page, you can see, and this is the transparent back case, and here we get the, you can see here we get the premium earphones, and this is the USB type C to USB cable. And guys, this is the earphone jack adapter, so that means no 3.5 mm jack inside the phone. You can see this is the earphone jack adapter you get, and this is the charger. Or you can see this is the big charger. You can see Vivo flash charge 2.0, and yes, it is the 33-watt fast charger you get in the box. Okay, that's all you get in the box. So keep this aside and come to the phone. So you can see this is the phone. Now quickly remove its plastic cover. So you can see here's the phone itself. If you talk about the color, it is the sunset dazzle color, and dust blue and arctic white color is also available. So you can see the design. You can see it is ultra slim. Yes guys, this is the ultra slim phone. If we talk about its body, you can see it has ultra slim body, only 7.29 mm, and if we talk about its weight, it is of 176 gram. You can see the lightweight. Yes, it is very lightweight. And if we talk about the back, you can see it has a matte glass. You can see the design is really very vibrant. You can see with different colors. You can see the design is really very vibrant, and it has scratch resistance. You can see it is scratch resistant. You can see not taking fingerprint mark. You can see the glass is scratch resistance, which is a really good thing. So don't worry about the fingerprint. Here you can see. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the primary microphone. On this side we get the volume up and down and power on off key, and on bottom we get the main speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, and this is the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. It's supposed to be, yes, it is hybrid. Yes guys, it is hybrid SIM slot. You can see you can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM or 1 micro SD card. Okay, and you can see this side we get nothing. And if we talk about its camera, you can see it has a triple rear camera, 64 megapixel with optical image stabilization, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel with the macro sense. And here we get the LED flash. And on front guys, it has first time in front camera, it comes with 44 megapixel optical image stabilization night selfie camera. You can see here it is. Okay, so now quickly boot up the device and set it up. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a Dimensity 800U 5G 7nm octa-core processor. It has 6.44 inch Full HD plus E3 AMOLED display with 90 Hz high refresh rate, HDR 10 plus 800 nits maximum. Yes, 800 nits maximum brightness display. It has dual nano SIM with a hybrid micro SD card slot support. If we talk about the internal storage, it comes with a 256.8 and 128 GB internal storage variant. If we talk about the camera, it has triple rear camera, 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel with the macro sensor. It has 44 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. If we talk about the battery, it has a 4000 mAh battery which supports 33 watts fast charging, and Vivo clarified that it charges battery 63% in just 30 minutes. And if we talk about the software, it is running on Android 11 Fun Touch OS 11.1, and for better security it has under display fingerprint and face unlock. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of Vivo V21 smartphone. You can see the AMOLED screen of 90 Hz, high refresh rate, you can see. And if you talk about the brightness, you can see it comes with 800 nits maximum brightness. You can see it is really very vibrant. You can see the display of this smartphone is really vibrant. Just take a closer look. You can see the display is really vibrant. And if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature. Here we get some apps, and we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. And if we slide from top, we get the notification bar. Here we get all helpful settings. You can see all helpful quick settings are available there, and this is the brightness adjustment feature over there available, which is a really good thing. Okay guys, the UI, yeah, the UI of the smartphone is really smooth. You can see. As you can see, the UI of the smartphone is really smooth. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. If you go in RAM and storage space, you can see 19.46 GB used out of 128 GB, and here we see the RAM information. You can see 2.43 GB used out of 8 GB, and here we get the 3 GB extended RAM technology. Yes, here we get the 3 GB extended RAM technology for a faster speed. Okay, now if we go in about phones, so you can see Fun Touch OS. This is the device name Vivo V21 5G, and here we see the processor MediaTek Dimensity 800U 2.4 GHz octa-core processor, and here we see the RAM 8+3, and this is the 3 GB of phone storage can be used to expand the RAM for faster speed. And if we talk about the Android version, it is running on latest Android 11. Here you can see. Okay, now go back, and if we go in software information, so you can see the OS version Fun Touch OS 11.1 global, and this is the Android security update of this phone, which is of March 1 2021, and the Google Play system update is of December 1 2020. As I said, the UI of this smartphone is really smooth. So you can see the screen refresh rate. You can set it to smart switch 60 Hz or 90 Hz. Here you can see. And if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I've taken with the Vivo V21 smartphone in different modes in different lighting condition. This is the 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. I'm doing with the Vivo V21 5G smartphone. And 4K video recording does not support optical image stabilization. But as you can see, it focuses very fast. You can see. If we talk about its 4K video recording quality, you can see it is really very good. You can see quickly focus the device. It quickly focus the object. You can see. Yes guys, the 4K video recording of this smartphone is good. You can see. And if we talk about its under display fingerprint and face unlock performance, let's quickly check this out. If we talk about its under display fingerprint sensor, you can see animation pops out. I put the finger and you can see phone unlock. Okay. Animation pops out. I put the finger. Okay. Here you can see I put the finger and it's quickly unlocked. You can see. Yes, the fingerprint of this smartphone is fast. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, I'm not seeing. I see and phone unlock. Okay, I'm not seeing. I see and phone unlock. I'm not seeing. I see and phone unlock. Okay guys, the face unlock of this smartphone is really very fast and responsive, and if we talk about its under display fingerprint performance, it is also fast. You can see I put and it unlock. So guys, this is the unboxing of a Vivo V21 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.